This morning, as healthcare workers await relief, there's despair and fear about the difficult days to come.
I don't think any of us would make it through this without each other.
In Central California, ICUs are full. Doctors and nurses are overwhelmed and getting sick.
We have more patients and less people to take care of them.
More than 200 of Dr. Iyad Al-Masri's colleagues have been infected with COVID. Hundreds more have been forced to quarantine. Dr. Al-Masri's last day off was in November, when he himself was sidelined by the coronavirus.
We're doing our best. We are certainly trying not to compromise the care, but inadvertently that is possible.
More people will die because you're overwhelmed.
Yes, more people will die because the whole healthcare system is overwhelmed.
A system running out of space for the sickest patients. Nearly 1,000 hospitals nationwide now reporting their ICUs have hit or exceeded 90% capacity. The entire state of Mississippi completely out of ICU beds. Utah and Arizona running dangerously low. This latest surge fueled by restriction rollbacks, cold weather forcing people indoors, and as predicted by experts, Thanksgiving gatherings. Dr. Fauci talking to Savannah shortly after the holiday.
Do you attribute any of this surge that we're seeing in the last couple of days directly to Thanksgiving and the travel and the get-togethers that did happen?
We don't expect to see the full brunt of it between 2 and 3 weeks following the Thanksgiving.
Now, health officials warning gathering for Christmas could have even deadlier consequences.
I want everybody who's here right now to be here next year for the holidays.
Last month, Lindsay Fairchild took this photo as she said goodbye to her father from the other side of a glass window.
I don't think that people realize that that's the picture of what it looks like to die from COVID in the ICU.
It was a role reversal the ICU nurse never wanted.
Those two nurses at the bedside were a reflection of what I had been doing. You know, seeing my dad in that condition, I just realized like people don't get to see this.
It's the story behind each of those 300,000 deaths that make the statistics so devastating. But to give you some perspective on those numbers, the U.S. makes up just 4% of the world's population, but we account for a quarter of confirmed COVID cases and nearly a fifth of the deaths.